I finally found an AI notepad app that's actually going to save you time, and I do not say that lightly. I test hundreds of apps every single year looking for ones that actually make your life easier, and Granola absolutely hits that. So when they asked to partner on a tutorial, I absolutely had to show you one of my favorite tools. Think about how many meetings you've been in where the second the meeting ends, you're immediately jumping into another call. And then a few days later, someone might ask you what happened in that call, and you're looking back at your notes and you just absolutely cannot remember what was going on. Well, this completely solves that problem. Granola is an AI notepad built specifically for meetings. The way it works is actually pretty simple. You take notes exactly like you normally would, and in the background, Granola listens to the audio and creates a transcript and intelligent summary around the notes you're taking. One of my favorite things is there's absolutely no bots joining your call, nobody gets a notification, and there are no extra participants showing up in your meetings. It just quietly works in the background while you get to focus on the actual conversation that you're having. And it works across pretty much every platform that you're already using. What I personally love is that it actually allows me to stay present in meetings. Instead of trying to write down every single thing somebody says, I'm able to just pay attention, take notes as I see fit, and then Granola will create a note for me that makes a lot more sense than I probably would have made in the moment. When you first download Granola, the process is really straightforward. You'll create your account, connect your calendar if you want your meetings to automatically show up, and then you're ready to go. One thing you'll notice right away is how clean the interface is. Everything is designed around making meetings easier to manage instead of overwhelming you with features. Now let's take a look at what actually happens when I'm in a meeting. So when I open up a meeting, Granola recognizes that I'm in a call and it prompts me to start taking a note. This is not a complicated new workflow. You take notes just as you normally would, and it pops up on the side of your meeting. Any notes that I take become anchors during the conversation, and this is where Granola gets really, really useful. Because it's capturing the meeting notes in the background, it understands the context of the notes that you're writing. And once the meeting is over, Granola automatically organizes everything into a clean and readable summary. Instead of looking at a random list of notes, I have a beautifully organized document I can come back to later. And because all the notes that I took are woven into the actual transcript of the meeting, when I do revisit it, there will be a lot of context there and I'll know exactly what I'm looking at. This alone saves me a ridiculous amount of time. And a feature I really like specifically about Granola is their recipes. Think of these as like pre-built prompts that help you take notes out of your meetings. So maybe I want a list of recent to-dos, or I want to prep my day, or I want client requests, or maybe I want to pull suggested topics to cover in my meeting based on previous meetings. It's able to do that, and there are so many recipes already made for you. Instead of manually digging through the meeting, I can use a recipe and instantly generate that information. It's especially useful if it's been a few days and you completely forgot what you were talking about. Now you get a quick little refresher. Another cool feature that I really enjoy is the chat feature, and this is where it really becomes more than just a meeting recorder. Instead of scrolling through pages and pages of notes, I can simply ask questions. Maybe I want all of my action items. Maybe I need deadlines that were mentioned. Maybe I want a quick summary before my next meeting. I can just ask and get that information instantly. And if you're someone who spends a lot of time on calls, you'll know this is a huge time saver. Sharing your notes is also incredibly easy. Once the meeting is complete, I can send quick summaries to teammates, clients, or anyone else who needs access. And that means fewer follow-up emails and also fewer situations where everyone remembers the meeting just a little bit differently. And one thing I really appreciate is the notes aren't just stuck on my computer. It also has an app that I can use on my iPad or my iPhone, so I'm able to access all of the tools anywhere that I am. Whether I'm traveling, heading into another meeting, or I'm just on the go in general, I'm always able to access any of the notes that I need, and everything stays super, super accessible. And that's honestly how easy it is to get started. Once you're set up, Granola will automatically identify when you're in a meeting, and it makes it really, really easy to stay organized. Your notes stay connected to the meetings that they came from, everything is searchable, and you don't have to worry about losing important information. If you want to try it for yourself, I'll have Granola linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!